Hi, everyone. Welcome, DEVit 2017. Woohoo! I hope you had a good time in the coffee, well, starting. So I've been told that I should start with a joke, and since I'm not a very funny person, I'm just going to go ahead and steal Asia's joke about cheese. Like, any of you would like to guess what cheese is not yours? Do we have any takers from the audience? Anyone cares to guess? Raise your hand. No? Feta cheese, maybe? Could that work? It's nacho cheese. Yeah, thank you. Woohoo! So I'm actually super excited to be here. This is my second time at DEVit, as some of you might know. And I'm super excited to introduce this edition of DEVit. And I was wondering, like, how many of you have been to DEVit before? Awesome. That's actually lots of people. As you might know, DEVit has always flying people from all over the world. And this year we have especially like tons of people coming over from London. Can I hear London? Yeah? Can I hear London maybe? No? Dublin? I'm sure that Dublin is here. Woohoo! Yeah, so there's I think at least 10% of the people, of the attendees are coming from all over Europe. We also have people coming from the US, and I hope that every one of you will get the chance to meet at least, I don't know, 10 people today so that you get the chance to network, learn, and share your experience. So welcome. This year brings a new format. Instead of the two tracks that we had last year and the previous edition, now we're going to have a single track with 9 speakers, 9 awesome speakers. We're also going to have a second day of workshops, and that's going to be 7 tracks of workshops. So there's going to be 3 full-day workshops, and then there's going to be 12 workshops, which are going to be smaller, and they're going to be divided on topics like front-end, DevOps, back-end. So you have to pick and choose whatever interests you most. A reminder that DEVit is actually a 360 degrees conference, so the aim here is to cover all aspects of the stack. And this way, each one of us gets to benefit from front-end topics, design, DevOps, back-end, mobile. I have a story, like one of the things that has really made me love DEVit is the organizing team. Because they always put so much love and so much effort into organizing this conference. And it all started in 2015 when it was an amazing session, an amazing edition, but there was one thing that was missing, and that was a female speaker, or more female speakers. In 2015, there were 0 female speakers at DEVit. But the great thing is that the organizers are actually amazing people, and they took the feedback in that maybe we should have more diversity. And in 2016, there were already 30% female speakers, and I was one of them. Woohoo! And this year, I'm back. And then we also have a 50% female representation. And I think that's fantastic. And speaking about diversity and inclusion, I'd like to remind everyone that we have a code of conduct. And if you haven't read it yet, I strongly advise you to go to the DEVit page and scroll to the bottom. You're going to find the code of conduct there. If any of you notices something that's not okay, please make sure to get in contact with any of the organizers. They're the guys in the black t-shirts with the DEVit logo. Or maybe if you prefer email, just write an email. The contact is on that page. I'd also, like some housekeeping things, I'd also like you to share your experience, spread the word, tweet about your experience at DEVit, and you can use the DEVitConf hashtag, or you can just mention DEVitConf using the DEVitConf handle. Obviously, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for our sponsors, right? And one of the important things to mention is that I'm going to soon start working for Microsoft. Woohoo! But that's actually not the important thing. So Microsoft is the gold sponsor for this conference, and please make sure that you're going to go speak outside with the guys from Microsoft. We're also going to have Rita and Jason give us a talk later. Woohoo! Our silver sponsors are Automatic. Woohoo! I'm sure there's WordPress fans there, right? And then we also have TopTal. And TopTal is online, like a freelancer platform that connects software developers with companies. And I'm not sure if you've met Asia at the Node.js meetup. She's awesome. Just go speak to her. She's going to share these amazing stories about remote work. So thank you, TopTal. There's also Workable, which is an online recruitment agency or platform. And we also have like sponsorship from eFood Greece. I guess that most of you order food from there, right? Cool. There's our bronze sponsors as well. There's big names like IBM, Google Platform, Accessoft, Trivago. We're going to have speakers from them, and they're also sponsoring like our food or the venue, everything. Yeah. So thank you so much. I hope you're going to have a great time.